Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate your shared projects in Canva. So, if someone has shared files or a project with you and you can't locate it, this video is for you. To do this, in the latest update in 2026, you should see this interface. Here, you'll find Projects on the left sidebar. Click on it and more options will appear. Within these, you'll see your own projects as well as those shared with you, maybe by colleagues, students, teachers, or team members. Click on the project shared with you, and you'll be able to access it. This is how you can easily find any project shared with you. That's a simple tutorial on how to navigate your shared projects. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll continue to bring you more informative and helpful videos in the future. See you in the next video.